Hilton Honors Business Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? If you're a frequent traveler or a small business owner looking to maximize hotel rewards, the Hilton Honors Business Card is a tempting option. But with so many credit cards out there, the question is it truly worth it in 2025, or should you leave it on the shelf? Today, we're diving deep into this card, its benefits, fees, reward structure, and potential drawbacks so you can make a fully informed decision. By the end, you'll know exactly whether this card fits your travel and business strategy. Let's start with the *** basics of the Hilton Honors Business Card ***. This card is designed primarily for business owners who stay at Hilton hotels regularly. It offers Hilton Honors points for purchases, perks like free nights and elite status boosts, and some travel protections. But as with any rewards card, the devil is in the details. Annual fee and intro offers ***. The first thing to consider is the annual fee. As of 2025, the Hilton Honors Business Card carries an annual fee of $95. For some, this may be negligible if the card delivers substantial rewards and perks, but it's a factor to consider if you're a casual Hilton guest. Most new cardholders can also expect *** welcome bonus ***, typically ranging from 100,000 to 130,000 Hilton Honors points if you spend a certain amount, usually $3,000, in the first 3 months. To put that into perspective, Hilton points can be redeemed for free nights at Hilton properties, starting from 5,000 points at lower-tier hotels and climbing to over 95,000 points for premium luxury properties. So, a 100,000-point bonus could easily cover 4-10 free nights, depending on where and when you stay. Earning rates and reward structure The Hilton Honors Business Card shines in how it rewards spending, especially at Hilton properties. Here's the breakdown. ** 12x points at Hilton hotels and resorts *** 6x points on select business categories *** such as gas stations, office supplies, and dining ** 3x points on all other purchases ***. To put this into perspective, if you spend $1,000 at Hilton properties, you could earn 12,000 points. If a standard Hilton night costs 50,000 points, that's nearly a quarter of a free night right there. The points add up quickly, especially for those who travel frequently for business. ***, Elite Status Boost ***. Another major selling point of the Hilton Honors Business Card is the *** Automatic Elite Status Upgrade ***. Cardholders can receive ** Hilton Honors Gold Status ***, which offers perks like complimentary room upgrades, when available free breakfast at participating hotels, 80% bonus points on Hilton purchases, late checkout and priority check-in. If you already stay at Hilton properties, this status boost can save hundreds of dollars per year on perks alone. ***, Redemption flexibility Hilton Honors points are versatile. You can redeem points for free nights at over 6,000 hotels worldwide, points plus money stays, which allow you to combine points with cash airline miles transfer, though the value is usually lower than redeeming for hotel stays, gift cards, or experiences. The ** value per point generally ranges from 0.4 to 0.6 cents per point for standard Hilton hotels, but it can go higher at premium locations or during peak travel times. ***, Additional card benefits The Hilton Honors Business Card also offers no foreign transaction fees useful if you traveled internationally, expense management tools track and categorize business spending easily, purchase protection and extended warranties, which covers eligible purchases against damage or theft, car rental insurance and travel accident protection, adds a safety net during business trips. All of these perks make it more than just a points earning card. It's a small business travel tool as well. Drawbacks to consider While the Hilton Honors Business Card has many advantages, there are some potential downsides. 1. High redemption threshold for luxury stays Hilton's top-tier properties can require 95,000 plus points per night, meaning you might need multiple months of spending to cover a single stay. 2. Variable points value depending on the hotel and season. Your points may have lower cash equivalent value than other travel programs. 3. Limited non-Hilton rewards If you rarely stay at Hilton properties, your rewards earning potential is lower than more general business rewards cards. 4. Annual fee for casual Hilton travelers, the $95 fee may not justify the rewards. Comparison with competing cards Let's put the Hilton Honors Business Card into context with other business travel cards. Chase Inc. Business Preferred offers 3x points on travel, shipping, internet, and advertising, which are transferable to multiple travel partners, not just Hilton. American Express Business Gold flexible points earning and transfer options to a variety of airline and hotel partners, but higher annual fee at $295. Hilton Honors American Express Surpass Card for personal use, higher Hilton points earning, but with a $95 fee. Business owners may prefer the business card for expense tracking. Compared to these options, the Hilton Honors Business Card is ideal if Hilton stays are your primary travel and loyalty focus. If you diversify across hotels or airlines, a more flexible points card may offer better value. Who should consider this card? The Hilton Honors Business Card is particularly well suited for small business owners who frequently travel for work, entrepreneurs who stay at Hilton properties regularly, users who want automatic Gold Elite status without additional stays, those who want a card with both travel and business expense tracking benefits. On the other hand, if you rarely stay at Hilton hotels or prefer airline miles, this card may not be the best fit. Tips for maximizing value in 2025 1. Strategically time your stays use points for high-value locations and peak dates to maximize cents per point. 2. Stack promotions Hilton often runs point promotions or discounted award stays. Combine these with your card bonus. 3. Use business categories maximize points by spending on gas, office supplies, and dining where the card earns higher rates. 4. Combine points with cash Hilton's points plus money option allows you to stretch your points further. 5. Leverage elite perks take advantage of free breakfast, room upgrades, and late checkout for extra value. Final verdict So, is the Hilton Honors Business Card worth it in 2025? For business owners who travel frequently and stay at Hilton properties, the answer is a strong yes. The combination of high points earning on Hilton stays, elite status, and travel protections make it a robust card for maximizing hotel rewards. The $95 annual fee is easily offset by the perks if you stay strategically and leverage the points wisely. However, if Hilton is not your go-to hotel brand or you prefer transferable points for a wider range of travel options, there are other business cards that may provide more flexibility. In summary, the Hilton Honors Business Card is a focused, high-reward option for Hilton loyalists and frequent business travelers. Use it smartly, track your points, and take full advantage of the elite benefits, and you could enjoy luxurious stays and substantial savings throughout 2025 and beyond.